Hi there and welcome to the ukestuff channel, and welcome to this comparison video between the Music Nomad mat and neck block versus the Hricane mat, neck block, and string winder. So let's take a look at this. Now, for full disclosure, Hricane sent me their mat to review, whereas the Music Nomad I bought on my own about 2 years ago. So let me pull out the Music Nomad mat first. It has Music Nomad printed on it. It has a very grippy texture on it, although it's soft so it won't scratch your instrument. And then a very flat surface on the back when you lay it out. So that is the Music Nomad mat. Let me show you the Hricane mat. The Hricane mat comes with a sort of Velcro strap to hold it sort of rolled up, which is a nice kind of accessory to have with it. The texture is not as grippy on the top, although you do have a pretty good texture when you lay it down for some extra grip when you lay it down. If I compare the two, to be fully honest, I think the Music Nomad feels, especially in the top, like a superior product. However, when you're dealing with price, the Music Nomad kit, I believe right now, this is being filmed in July of 2021, sells for about $35 for the mat and the neck, whereas the Hricane, you get the mat, you get a neck block, and a string winder, clipper, pin puller combination. So now let's take a look at the neck blocks. Now, the Music Nomad neck block is made of sort of a soft, hard plastic, and you can set a neck in here any number of ways. You could put it in on its side, you could put it on this larger flat side, you could put it on the very, very top. And I've also seen people use this as like a tool holder when they don't need it. So in this part, they'll put like their Music Nomad octopus and so forth. And by itself, this is a more expensive piece than actually the mat, I believe. But you get both them together for $34. Now in comparison, here is the Hricane neck block. It's nowhere close, right? This is more of a foam product versus sort of a plasticized product. This has more angles that you can use, whereas the Hricane really has two. You can put the neck in there, or you can put the neck in that side, and those are the two sides. Now, ultimately, if you need a working surface and you need to lift up the neck and support it, either one of these will work. This is clearly the more superior product. Again, it comes in the kit for about $35 versus the Hricane that comes for $30. Then the final piece that comes with the Hricane that does not come with the Music Nomad is this. The Hricane includes this small string winder and clipper and pin puller unit that just comes along free with it. And again, if you're working on an ukulele or guitar, that would come in very helpful. I have bought this one a while ago, and I know D'Addario makes a very similar one that has a very similar sort of layout. Mine actually does not have the string puller on it, but it's sort of a larger string winder that floats a little more smoothly than this one, although this one might break in more over time, and the clipper works better. So this, of course, is so much larger than the other one, and again, if I didn't have any, this would be wonderful to have, but since I already have this, I'd probably use this one first just because of its size and the fact that it works pretty well. Now I will be taking the Hricane system with me to my school where I can leave it permanently and use it to work on school ukuleles and student ukuleles that are brought in. So it's wonderful to have this second kit even though I already had the Music Nomad items at home. Now which one should you spend your money on? Whichever one you want to, quite honestly. If you're not doing a ton of work, probably the Hricane is the way to go and just save a few dollars because you can pull it out when you need it. If you need a permanent setup, probably the Music Nomad is the way to go. So if you were going to set up a permanent shop area, probably the Music Nomad and spending, basically the $5 extra for that step up in quality is probably worth it. Average player, Hricane be great. For the person that wants to set up shop, really it's probably the Music Nomad. I would use either one, and I will. So I'll have the Music Nomad at home and the Hricane at school. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this comparison between the Music Nomad guitar pad, ukulele pad, and neck block, and the Hricane guitar pad, ukulele pad, neck block, and string winder. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.